People always asking me to do cheaper knife unboxing. Kershaw's a really nice brand. I think all of those ones under $50. So let's start with the big ones. I like Kershaw's. You don't even have to sharpen them. You use them and you let them go for something else. Wow, that was tight. That's a really big one, so make sure you don't... Wow, that is super tight flipper. I'm not even pushing it on the lock. Sometimes I push it on the lock and wondering why it's not coming out. This thing is just so tight. Wow, that's a big one. Pretty unique. Kinda don't like it that it's too tight. Really hard to deploy it. But let's keep on going. That's what happens sometimes. You get what you pay for. But again, they're pretty awesome because you don't have to worry about beating them up. This one is OTF manual. So what you do is just press it and it releases here. That's beautiful. Look at that. They're Dogger style. One complaint, I wish in the middle it would lock for doing unboxing. But right now it's easy playful. And then it locks in here. I wish it would be like a middle lock right here. It looks like it could have been, but they decided not. That would have been perfect for unboxing. So lock position, locks in, push it in, unlock position. That one is actually awesome. I actually would love to use it, beat it up, and not cry about it when it gets destroyed or get lost. So that's what cheap knives are for. I call them junk knife. You junk them up, beat them up, open boxes, break up boxes, tape, put glue on them, throw them in the dirt, and don't have to maintenance them because you can just buy another one because they're so cheap. Like for $50, it's just like a hammer. You beat up a hammer till it breaks and you buy another one, right? Unless you buy $250 hammer. There is some of those. So yeah, I forgot to tell you the names of these ones. This is After Effect. This one is a capsule. And this one is a Strata. Okay, this one is Persect. So pretty awesome knives. I already see quite a few unique things I would actually carry. That one looked pretty elegant. Looked like a button, but it's not. It's just a fake button. What's up with the Kershaw's? So hard to flip it. Okay, that one not so hard. It's kind of a little bit awkward holding it. There you go. Full metal blade and the, what do you call it, handle. So kind of unique. That one is actually nice. I would actually use that one. Okay, let's keep on going. We got right here concierge. That's funny. Okay, that is pretty elegant. Wooden handle. Look at that clip. It's kind of like inside of that wooden handle. Flipper. Okay, I like that flipper. That one is easy to flip. That's what we're looking for. And it's very comfortable. Wow, I would definitely use this under $50 knife all the time. By the way, I got them all on the discounts as well, and they might have been a little bit higher than $50 at some point. Plus you get points on some of those websites. So yeah, wow, that one is unique. Is it phone flipper? Look like it. You almost can pull it, but it's definitely not the most comfortable thing to do. It's probably not. Liner lock. It's probably opening it this way. And here's a screwdriver. Check this out. Probably best if I close it. I mean, first of all, it is a really fat handle. Incredibly thick. Kind of like it. Not super comfortable. But then you get a little screwdriver. I never know when you need a screwdriver. The question is, how do you pull it out? Pretty easy right here. You know what? There is an F over here. Finally, it took me a while to see it. And it's an automatic screwdriver. Okay, that is actually pretty awesome utility tool. I would definitely use it. I just have to have a screwdriver all the time. And the fact that it's on the knife, that's pretty amazing. you can put this one away. Probably will be using the other one more so, but this one sticks out a little bit, probably why they put that one in instead of the other one. You see there is a ball, press the button, pull it in. Wow, that is a cool, unique knife for sure. You see, Kershaw is also awesome. Okay, next what we got? Concierge MCB. That was a payload. Okay, what's the difference? Handle is different, that's it. I don't know, what do you guys like? Kinda like this one better. I mean, I kinda like wooden handle and move this blade over here. Kinda like them both for different things. But it's a nice handle also, I like that a lot. Liner lock. Pretty smooth for such a knife. So let's keep on going. They said here drivetrain. Okay, there's a window breaker, flipper, nice, liner lock. Oh, it's kind of like assisted, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, it's tight. There you go. That's why it flies out so well. But that flipper is really hard to pull. Kind of like on these flippers, this one the easiest. So nice. So that one was okay. Okay, come back. Nice, kind of a like unique all metal, but yeah, I was gonna say kind of like a concierge, except a little bit different. All metal, beautiful everyday care knife, super smooth. I like it. For the money, it's worth it. Okay, we got it here. Static G10. Okay, this one I love. This is like a little, oh, cleaver, there you go, that's what I was looking for. Why I like cleaver knives for everyday carry, easy to break up the boxes, like especially when you need to cut them in half to recycle them, fit them in a box. That is a nice knife, wow. I like that one a lot. So yeah, probably this one is my favorite, and it's so smooth for the money. Look at that. Yeah, quality. So yeah, let me know in comments below what do you think, which knife was your favorite. There's quite a few nice knives I would use every day, but honestly any of these knives I would just use, beat them up, get to the next one. But they're gonna last a while as well.